Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install GEICO app for policy changes and endorsements. Complete guide step by step clearly. To install the GEICO app for policy changes and endorsements, start by opening the App Store on your device. For iPhone users, this is the App Store. For Android users, look for the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type GEICO. Locate the official GEICO app in the search results. Make sure it has the GEICO logo and is published by GEICO Insurance Agency. Tap on the app to open its page. Check the app ratings and reviews to ensure it meets your expectations. When ready, click the Install button. This will download and install the app on your device. Once the installation is complete, find the GEICO app on your home screen or app drawer. Tap to open the app. If you already have a GEICO account, enter your login credentials. If you're a new user, follow the prompts to create an account. You may need to provide personal information and your policy number. After logging in, navigate to the main dashboard. Here, look for the option to manage your policy. Tap it to see available features such as policy changes and endorsements. Select the specific change or endorsement you want to make. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your request. Review the changes to ensure everything is accurate. Once satisfied, submit your changes. You should receive a confirmation notification shortly after. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section within the app. You can also contact GEICO customer service directly for assistance. Once your changes are confirmed, keep the app handy for future policy management. Always ensure your app is updated for the latest features and security. With the GEICO app, managing your policy has never been easier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.